Hi everyone, welcome to Lethalia's Little Hook with Melanie. I'm Mel, your host. I don't care. I'm here and I'm in charge. At least I'm in charge of something. Yeah, my puppies let me think that some of the time. Anyway, so it looks the same because I'm videoing this the same day I videoed my flip through of the knit magazine. I'm going to video my flip through of the crochet magazine. Crochet exclamation point, as I like to call it. So, do not be alarmed that I am in the same clothes and my hair is still wet. It takes a while to dry. But look at my cool shirt. Let's have some steampunk Star Wars. C-3PO and R2. I get the coolest shirts at the Goodwill. So let's crack this puppy open. Welcome to all my returning family and all my new family. Yeah, I'm a little hyper. Why? Because I'm feeling better than I have been in a long time. Okay. Our little extra is going in the giveaway area, which is pretty much my bookshelf, until I can put it in the correct area. And then, nice glossy magazine. Trash. It says, join an Annie's Club. Get 50% off your first month. And I'm like, ooh, 50% off and then full price. No. Okay. Ooh, it's spring. Spring is great. So is Spring, the fiber enthusiast. If you don't know her, go check her out. Yay! I love Spring. Okay. Ooh, little plug. I did a plug. Okay, I will link her below anyway, but yeah. Okay, so, what is this? 22 stunning spring designs. Love your look. Sweet styles with striking stitches. Easy must-have layers, cover-ups, cardigans, wraps, and more, and 7 whimsical designs, fun with charming colors. This magazine is to be displayed until March 27th, 2023. It is $7.99 in the US and $8.99 in Canada. Not a bad price. Apparently, I am in announcer mode. Okay. I found this one. Where did I find this one? I believe in Tops Market, which is a local market here in Pennsylvania and New York. So, grocery store. Grocery store magazine. Okay, let's open her up. Ha! And what do I find? Secrets of the Castleton Manor Library. It's a murder mystery. AnniesFiction.com. They're now selling murder mysteries. Annie's has really tried to cover every niche. Yeah. Speaking about niche, check out Nichecraft. She does giveaways every month, and they all include Noro. That is Cassie and Nichecraft. Alright, now I gotta start making a list of everybody to tag. Because I'm going way above and way beyond. So, crochet, video. So far I've done spring. And Nichecraft. Yeah, I gotta make lists. Because we go like 2 more minutes and it'll totally be out of my head. Yeah. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so what in the What's Hot category, we have the Callie cover-up designed by Lashia Tweddle. That's a name. It goes up to size 5X. This is cute. Okay, here's someone else to tag. Dee's Creative Hands. I remember her doing a quick flip through of this magazine already. Because I remember her mentioning this. this cover up. Yeah, this is cute. Yeah. Okay. So, it is an intermediate, and you need super fine fingering weight mercerized cotton, anywhere from 6 to 9 skeins, and there are almost 300 yards on each skein, and a D hook, which is a 3.25 millimeter, and this is what it looks like. So you can use that for a lot of things. I could see that in like an ombre color, like sunset or sparkly, for so many possibilities. Layers are in. The light and airy piece is worked in rows from the top down with the scalloped edge. There's a it's scalloped down at the bottom. I wouldn't have noticed that unless it was written in there. Scalloped edging worked as you go, so it's easy to customize and wear as a spring topper or a summer cover-up. I guess you could make it shorter, too, like if you wanted it only as a top. Just go to, it's worked top down, so just go, like, to whatever length you want and do the scallop top or edge. Ideas. Okay. Oh, and there's a closer look at the scalloped edge. It's cute because it's like a half fan. I like it. I do like it. I don't know if... See, like I said, I don't make... I said in my knit review magazine review, I don't make too many things out of these magazines, but I want to. Now that I'm using my crochet planner, I will mark down, because the thing is, I say, oh, I want to make that, I want to make that, I want to make that, but I forget what I wanted to make. Now I will mark down what I want to make, and I will have a list of it. Here's my finger not wanting to do the thing. Beginner's Corner. It's the beginner's apron. Okay. This fun and functional apron fits most sizes. Protect your clothes from getting dirty and features a huge... Oh, protects your clothes from getting dirty and features a huge pocket that can hold anything you need to have close at hand. Doesn't just have to be for what they're making it. Doesn't just have to be a gardening one. And they said you can make it a little bigger to have a deeper pocket. I mean, they have it for gardening because it's beginner, number one size fits all. And it says one size fits most sizes. But, I mean, if you made it longer, it could fit bigger. So, yeah, it could be one size fits all. They use Peaches and Cream Stripey, which is a medium worsted weight. And 6 skeins. Just use more skeins and make it bigger if it doesn't fit your wide hips. A size H hook and a button to hold the middle of the pocket. Okay. And I might keep that. It's 61% off, and holy crap. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. I'm keeping that. I could get this magazine for... Yep. Okay. Crochet Tutorial 101, Considering a Crochet Edge. I might read that. I like cleaning up the edges. You know, the longer you've been in crochet, the more you get into the details. I mean, I think about it, I've been crocheting 33 years. And for the first decade and a half, I was doing it on my own and figuring things out on my own. It was a hot mess. A hot mess. If you shake, it's because our washer is going, and when it does the spin cycle, the whole house shakes just a bit. But, hot mess. But I was 10 years old when I started, and my mom showed me how to chain, slip stitch, and single crochet. And maybe double crochet. I don't really remember. But then she couldn't remember anything else. Didn't know how to read a pattern. And I had to figure it all out on my own. Library books, the little how-to books that you would get from like Lion Brand and that kind of thing. And I just devoured them. And I thought Red Heart Super Saver was the only kind of yarn there was. For like 2.5 decades. But, yeah, so now the details and everything like that, so. Crochet Tutorial 101, Twin Hair Ties. These are a great stash busting project. They are so quick and easy to make. Stitch them in a night and wear them the next day. They are 3 easy. The finished measurement is 2 inches wide and 31.5 inch long for the variegated hair tie, and for the lacy hair tie it's 1 3/4 inch wide and 30.5 inches long. So this is the lacy, I'm guessing, because it's not variegated. It doesn't look very lacy though. I don't know. It doesn't look very lacy. And then this is variegated. Okay. They are cute. They're cute. Something to make maybe for like craft fairs, or, you know, if you do like spa bundles for people for gifts. And I should have looked where it was listed, because that says lacy next to it and that says variegated under the picture. Yeah. Okay, this is cute. I love making hoodies. I've made them for a child so far. I've made one for my dad, which he didn't want, and now I have. So, you loved, we listened. That's the category. Striped sleeves cardi. Color blocking gives this favorite design a brand new look. It's a 4 intermediate. It goes from a small to a 2-3X. They put the, yeah, because they have a medium large and a large extra large, and then a 2-3X. They use Premier Basics Chunky Bulky. It's a 5. It's a 5-weight yarn. And it's 100%, it's acrylic. So any acrylic 5-weight yarn. And they used, wait a minute. Oh, they used 11 balls, anywhere from 9 to 11 balls of that. And then they used another weight of, another, oh, I'm getting lost. Oh, they used in sage, and then they used it in another color, 2 balls of it. That confused me. I got confoozled. I'm sorry. I hope I didn't confoozle you. Okay, so anywhere from 11 to 13 balls in total of Premier Yarns Basics Chunky Bulky. Yeah. And a J hook and an L hook. Okay. And that's what it looks like. It's very cute. It's a little airy. It's a little warm. It's got a hood, buttons. It's very springy. It will keep you warm in the spring and the fall. I like the huge hood. I like a hood I can hide in, but then I can put back. My hair's going to be dry by the end of this. Big pocket. It's got pockets, people. Pockets are always needed. Pockets are essential. I can't get the pages apart. Okay. Apparently they have one model for this entire magazine, and it's this brunette. They put her in the field, and then they just kept changing the outfits. Okay, done in 1, 2, 3 skeins. That is what this one is under, this category. Sweet Violet Top, designed by Tammy Hildebrand. Have I been saying the designer this whole time? Or have I been, like, accidentally skipping it sometimes? Let me know. My brain... I think I did really well on my last flip through, but I think I've been, like... This breezy and beautiful top is created with a variety of interesting stitches and subtle color-changing yarn for a comfortable, one-of-a-kind piece you will love to wear. And best of all, it only takes 2 to 3 cakes of yarn. What kind of yarn? It's a 4 intermediate. Instructions given fit women's size small and have changes for medium, large, extra large, and 2X. So it goes from small to 2X. And it uses Scapier's Whirl Superfine. So it's a number 1 weight, and it uses Scapier's Whirl. Now, guess what? I am not buying 3 Whirl cakes, which cost like $30 each to make a shirt. I'm not having a $90 shirt. Because, yeah. No. It's a very pretty shirt. But no. Thank you. What else is 1 weight yarn? I'm trying to think of a cheaper cake of 1 weight yarn. I mean, I have 1 weight yarn somewhere. I don't know. But sorry. Okay, Easy Breezy Cherry Blossom Bag. It's a 3 easy. They use Premier Home Cotton, medium worsted, weight recycled cotton polyester yarn. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skeins in total. You probably don't need all of them, but you need bits of all the colors. And an E-hook, which is a 3.5 millimeter. Sorry, I'm getting stuffed up. And a snap closure tapestry needle. It's cute. It's a baby purse, and you do some tapestry crochet, or, you know, I don't know if it's intarsia or how they call it in this one. What kind? You make an I-cord. Yeah. I have one of those little knitting bee things to make the cords. I haven't tried it yet. Because every time I try to make an I-cord, it doesn't work. Ooh, filet crochet. Easy Breezy Spring Breeze Wrap. Actually enjoy filet crochet. Spring's light breeze inspired this wrap. The slow flowing swirls add an unexpected design and are created with filet crochet. And this one is by Rebecca Greco. It's a 3 easy, 19 inches wide by 64 inches long. They use Cascade Yarns Heritage Superfine Weight Superwash Merino nylon yarn in Dusty Orchid. You need 2 hanks, sorry about the coughing, and an E-hook, which is a 3.5 millimeter. And this is the wrap. The wind is just flowing through it. Ooh. Wait, is that a ghost or the wind? I don't know. Take it as you will. Okay. Easy breezy, dreamy garden cardigan. It's the same model again. Was she in desperate need of work? Is she the director of photography's niece? What is going on? Okay, designed by Amanda Manos. Stay covered yet cool with this striped lace cardigan featuring a fluffy cotton and acrylic blend yarn. This garment offers amazing drape and a gentle breeze, perfect for transitioning into warmer weather. It's a 4 intermediate. Instructions given fit women's size extra small. Changes for small, medium, large, extra large, 2X, and 3X. Oh my, dry throat. They use Stitch and Story Secret Garden Light DK Weight Cotton Acrylic Yarn, a size G hook, a size D hook for ribbing, and yeah, and it is quite cute in a coral color. And look, there's the model. Okay, maybe she had some info on the, people in charge. She had some dirt. She's like, put me in, or I tell all. Why'd I have to go somewhere dark with it? You wonder. Okay, skinny keyhole scarf. I don't know. I never liked skinny scarves. What's the point of them? You want something that works, not just, I don't know. It's an Easy Breezy by Kirby Ellison. Add color to your outfit with this quick and easy keyhole scarf. It's a 3 easy, 3 inches wide by 34 inches long. They used Omega Primavera Superfine Fingering Weight Cotton Yarn. And an F-hook, which is a 3.75 millimeter. And there it is. It's very springy with those colors. Okay. Is that my model again? I have to go back. Yes, I can tell by the eyebrows. It's the same model. It's Easy Breezy. This is actually kind of cool. I love the texture on it. It makes it look like it's like petals on top of petals. Ooh, I have a whirl, and this only takes 1 whirl. And I was wondering what to do with it. But this is a gradient whirl, and I kind of like the gradient, and mine's like multicolor. Okay, so this is a 4 intermediate. It's 50 inches wide by 22 inches deep. Takes a Scapier's whirl, superfine weight cotton acrylic. This color is Daffodil Dolali. I like that name. But I really like the ombre effect. It takes an E-hook, 3.5 millimeter. Why would you have any loose ends if you're just doing 1 whirl? It says weave in loose ends as work progresses. But it's 1 whirl. So why would there be any loose ends? Okay, so Light and Lacy Shawl by Olga Shaleva. Yeah. I mean, my hair just... Come on, hair. Look, there's one of my silver ones. You can see it. It's just shining. It's catching the light. One of my stellinas. This is there. I've got a few of them now. I'm getting there. They're just all coming out up here. Randomly up on top. Getting up there. All of 43 and yeah. Okay, Fun and Fanciful. Timeless Tie Topper by Margaret Hubert. Easy to wear, comfy and roomy. This is a great little cover-up for cool evenings or air-conditioned rooms. Pair with a cute skirt or jeans for an effortlessly stylish vintage look. It's a 4 intermediate. Instructions given fit women's size small. Changes for medium, large, extra large, and 2X. See, they should go higher than 2X, like up to a 5X at least. They used Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday DK Lightweight acrylic yarn, anywhere from a 4 to 6 skeins, and a G hook and an F hook. And this is cute. I remember D liked this one too. It is cute with that little belt. It's that model again. She's everywhere. He's so cute. Lisa. It's a Mechie. He needs a ladybird on him. He's got a bee. He needs a ladybird. A blue one. It's not a he. It's a her. Rosie the Hedgehog. Fun and Fanciful. Designed by Kristen Cowton. Cotton? I'm saying Cowton. Spring has sprung, and this hedgehog is here to remind you to stop and smell the roses. It's a 4 intermediate, approximately 4 inches tall, including the bee, they say, and 7 inches long. Red Heart Super Saver, medium worsted weight, and Red Heart Super Saver, blah, 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 for all the colors. They're saying all the colors. An H hook. Yep, and I showed her to you. Why are her legs just all splayed out like that? It's just like, I'm exhausted. And she just collapsed. It just looks like wrong with her legs just plop. I mean, she's cute. I'd have to fix her legs, though. Just doesn't look right. I'd have to figure something out. Oh, I gotta write down Lisa now. Thank you for reminding me. I know someone out there yelled, "Write down Lisa!" I know someone out there did. Oh my gosh. The Toadingtons, under Fun and Fanciful. Designs by Fat Lady Crochet. Someone said, I am owning that title. Soft and sweet, these 2 toads are sure to charm anyone who gets them. Are they toads? I never remember how to tell a toad from a frog. It's something about the eye placement, and then toads have bumps. Yeah. So I guess it is. Their eyes are correct. I'll put them up so you can see them while I read. And be charmed. It's a 3 easy. They're 7 inches tall. Scapier soft, fun, light DK weight cotton acrylic yarn. They need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls of color and a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook or size needed to obtain gauge. Polyfill, tapestry needles, stitch markers, and they're just adorable. Look at them smile in the suspenders and the pantaloons, and they're so cute. Alright. Were you charmed? Yes. Okay, fun and fanciful. Mushroom cat house. Now, let me tell you, I have multiple fanciful cat houses in my pattern library that I have bought. There is a mushroom one. There is a tree stump one. There may or may not be an RV camper one with the little roll-out canopy porch thing. Yeah, I have bought all of them, intending to make them for my friend who owns a bookstore and has bookstore cats. Never got around to it. Still planning on it, but haven't gotten around to it. Need to do it. Put it in the planner mail. But this one, Mushroom Cat House, designed by Harry Reardon Daly. This is cute. Okay, and it has a cat. 3 easy. 24 inches height, 18 inches depth, 56.5 inches circumference. Premier Yarn Serenity Chunky Bulky Weight Yarn. It's a 5 weight. Oh dear Lord. Easy but expensive. 14 balls walnut, 4 balls red ochre, 2 balls cloud dancer, H hook and an I hook, fiber fill, stitch markers, cardboard, plastic pellets, which the cardboard and the plastic pellets are optional, but they will help. Yeah. Your cat will love sleeping in this whimsical house because they really know it's whimsical and care, and you'll love how easy it is to make and clean. Hopefully that pillow inside is removable, because cat hair. And if they mistakenly think it's a litter box, no, they won't. Cats are smart. Ooh, wild rose bag. I love making bags. I have finally stopped buying every market bag out there because a lot of them are similar. But I love making bags. Don't ask me why. Do not ask me. I don't know why. I cannot explain it. But I love making bags. This one, it's a little granny for me. But it's cute. Wild Rose Bag by Jennifer E. Ryan. Flower motifs encircling the top add a fun touch to this very practical and functional bag, making it the perfect choice for almost any occasion. A lot of people will like it. It's a 4 intermediate. 9.5 inches in diameter and 10.75 inches tall. They used Omega Symphonia light DK weight cotton yarn, 4 skeins in green leaf, and an H hook. Now, here's the thing. I don't have much cotton yarn in DK. Most of my cotton yarn is either worsted weight, because at one point I was going to make spa sets and washcloths and stuff, so I bought like packs of peaches and cream and stuff, or it's hobby cotton yarn, so it's a 2 weight or lighter. I don't have DK weight. cotton yarn. So I'll just make it bigger and use my worsted weight. But I think the intermediate is because you have to make the raised roses. Otherwise, it would probably be an easy. It's cute. There are some older ladies out there, or some who really like roses, who would go, oh my God, I have to have that. Oh, I'm going to take some Dayquil today. This is cute and looks exactly like the blanket I made last year with the Karen Cloud Cakes in kelp. Almost exactly. Okay, this is fun and fanciful. Why? I don't know. Rolling Meadows, designed by Sherry White, the gentle ripple pattern and soothing pastoral colors in this pretty wrap give the illusion of rolling spring meadows. A simple 2-row repeat makes it an easy pattern to stitch. It is a 3 easy. Finished measurements are 21 inches wide and 60 inches long. Dang. Crystal Palace Yarns Mini Mochi, Superfine Fingering Weight Merino Nylon Yarn, which is 195 yards per ball, and you need 10 balls of it in leaves and sprouts. To make a wrap, 10 balls of merino nylon sock yarn. To make a wrap. Honey, even if it was $5 per ball, $50 to make that. Hold on. Sometimes they just... what they ask me to do to make these things just makes me go. If you're just listening to me, look at the camera right now. I bought your magazine. Now you want me to spend how much to make this thing? Where do you think I live? Paris? What? I live in the U.S. Do you know what minimum wage is here? Come on. Hi, I love you guys. I'm just... Sometimes I just have to. Okay, popular patterns. Not So Granny Tea by Julie Sarah Desjardins. This top can be made for any body shape and size because it's so easy to customize. It's sure to become a wardrobe staple. The granny squares give it a vintage twist, while the modern colors make it perfect for today. It goes from a size extra small to a 5X. Blah, blah, blah. Bamboo. It uses universal bamboo pop light DK, which is a viscose from bamboo cotton yarn. And it uses anywhere from 1 to 5 balls of the one color, and then 1 ball each of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So anywhere from 6 to 10 balls, and a G hook, and there you go. That's not bad. It looks pretty simple. It is listed as an easy. Okay. And that's that model again. It's her again. She's back. Okay, lady slippers. It's a popular pattern. These look like elf slippers. I don't know why. It just jumped into my head that they're elf slippers. That's what I'm going to call them. Designed by Jenny King. These sweet slippers are perfect for chilly toes. The Bavarian crochet cuff adds a vintage touch to a modern design. It's a 4 intermediate. Instructions fit an adult size small and then go for medium and large. It's an 8 to a 10-inch sole. Plymouth Dream Baby DK Light. F and G hooks. Elf. Like forest elf, not Christmas elf. Forest, fairy, elf. Not fairy, but elf. Definitely elf. Okay. Popular patterns up to a 2X. Wildflower Top by Geraldine Friedman. Colorful stripes of flowers give a modern twist to this vintage style top. I definitely agree with vintage style. Make the flowers all one color or use up your scraps to really make this top stand out. It's a 4 intermediate. Instructions go from a size extra small up to a 2X. Premier Cotton Fair Fine Sport Weight Cotton Acrylic Yarn. And they use anywhere from 6 balls to 9 balls of the yarn and an F hook. Okay, so I definitely think it's vintage because of this collar here with those sleeves. Yeah. I'm seeing 70s. And I was only alive for 4 months of the 70s. But my mother dressed me in those clothes. Okay, popular patterns. Antique Rose Afghan. Designed by Rena. I'm going to go with Rena V. Stevens. Simple rows of double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitches make up the quick and simple background rows, while roses and picot-like dots add a touch of whimsy to this design. Choose colors to complement or accent your decor to make this your own. It's a 5, which is moderately challenging. 46 inches by 64 inches, excluding fringe. If you don't know how I feel about fringe, I don't like doing it if there's a whole lot of it. It's time consuming, then you gotta even it out. If there are a few tassels, I can do a few tassels. If there is fringe on a whole blanket, I ain't doing it. Okay, Red Heart Soft Medium Worsted Weight Acrylic Yarn. There are 6 balls each of 2 colors and 4 balls each, or 4 balls of 1 color. So 16 balls. And an eye hook. I like the color combination, but I agree with Dee on this one. Those roses would just be like, yeah, what is this texture? What is this thing on me? Yeah. Too bulky 3D kind of thing. And actually, now that I'm looking at it, that might be too much white on top of the pink and gray. I would need it subtler. It doesn't sound right. Subtler. Yeah. It's shiny, too. Is Red Heart Soft shiny? I haven't worked with it too much. It's very shiny in that picture. Oh, I'm in charts. We are done. We're done. Oh, I'm sounding southern today. Let's look and do just a reminder. This is everything in the magazine. Very slow go. in case you would like to purchase this magazine. It is on sale at your local grocery store until March 27th of 2023. It is Crochet ! Thank you for sticking with me through this whole flip through, if you did. And if not, I understand. Please give me a thumbs up if you're still here, and you haven't yet. I appreciate it. And tell your friends about me if they're not already here. And I am so jammed up right now. Sorry. Tell your friends about me because we are nearing, well, we're sort of nearing. We're slowly going towards 500. And when we get to 500, I'm going to do, hopefully, an amazing giveaway. And it will be open internationally. But the physical prize will be for the lower 48. Unless international wants to help, wants to pay for shipping. But, yes, we will be doing that. So, spread the word. Let's get to 500. Alright, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Shine bright like the stars you are, because you are stars. Not just to me, but to the people who love you. So, bye-bye.